This is Not the End Crochet. How y'all doing this beautiful Sunday? Hope the Lord finds you well. What do I have? I did a haul on Ollie's Bluebell Red Heart yarn. Couldn't help it. They're so cheap. I mean, $2.99 a skein. Come on. Who can blame me? Even though I did say the color was meh. In one of the comments, I still think it's a little meh. But it also occurred to me that I have never done a solid color crochet blanket. So I said, now's my chance. So let's see. If there's a little noise in the background, my nephew's here, his computer's on, and the dishwasher on, I apologize. But it's all the same. I just dump it out. There you go. It's something about getting yarn. I don't want yarn that's not compact and it's wrapping. And the ones on the bottom, they were like tight. And I said, oh, I like y'all. So here we go. Trying to get to that one. Excuse my reaching across. In front of you. There's 5. And with the other 2, I got the other day and another Ollie's haul. That's 7. That's gonna make a big blanket. I hadn't decided yet on what type of blanket, but I'm thinking of doing a sampler of all the crochet stitches that I know. I don't know too many, but I have picked up a few over the years. But that's it. That's my haul. And since they got a ton more, if I need more, I know I can get it. Be blessed.